All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. People are where they are because that is exactly where they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. What's going on in the inside shows on the outside. Any person who contributes to prosperity must prosper in turn. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea, buried deep in our subconscious, will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. Executive ability is deciding quickly and getting somebody else to do the work. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Don't concern yourself with money. Be of service, build, work, dream, create. Do this and you'll find there is no limit to the prosperity and abundance that will come to you. A good deal of frustration and unhappiness could be avoided if people would just do what they know they should do. No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice, it is conformity. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. Picture yourself in your mind's eye as having already achieved this goal. See yourself doing the things you'll be doing when you've reached your goal. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Whenever we are afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. The mind moves in the direction of our currently dominant thoughts. Excellence always sells. We all walk in the dark, and each of us must learn to turn on his or her own light. Always keep that happy attitude. Pretend that you are holding a beautiful fragrant bouquet. Your problem is to bridge the gap which exists between where you are now and the goal you intend to reach. You can measure opportunity with the same yardstick that measures the risk involved. They go together. The big thing is that you know what you want. Everything begins with an idea. We tend to live up to our expectations. Success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success.